Yan Rabinaka.
Tuh. Nabito sa ko baka nga nabito sa matser ng unikon friend.
Iya.
Bisa nabito sa tuso ya.
Iya.
Iya, na kasa kito sa uniform tongo. We say good morning to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Right.
Good morning.
We say Yanra and Bulbunaka to all the listeners out there. Especially to
John
the
Kumar.
listeners of Serua,
Oi, so.
tuning in this morning on 92.4 FM. Kita pengen sekali bikin mendengar kata na dia sang bulgar 2.1 FM. And also, we say Yanra and Bulbunaka
Gori.
to all the listeners and sana buka turang o televu
Right.
kira-kiraki and 92.4 iya 92.4 and matatalangan ikuha.
Well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning. Not forgetting the one who are joining from the bus this morning.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your love. Thank you very much for your everything. Together with what you're doing, and also to everybody joining this morning.
Say good morning to all the sons and daughters of Fiji serving in overseas.
Iya.
Ni Rabinaka lubebitin din to matapal mingor me panuatani ni sema politiko mai and alive and matabana ni kuwa.
Alam no, iko baka ugas tigreto chiko may singatoka.
Oh, Brother Valley Road Singatoka. John Kumar, good morning to you as well.
Arnaka may Melina Dalevu, Arnaka turang night. Mother Mangal, thank you so much for tuning in this morning. We say good morning to Serema Tinani Yawa, Arnayan Rajos Manakilangi, Wanga Iratavo Yowane. Hey, Arnaka, what next? Pita Masilata and Arnaka, Bill Lesenia, Arnaka, and Mataka di Singalo Tulibungo.
To all the students out there, thank you very much for your joining this morning. It's very long time of the school, of the holiday, of the
Yes.
break week for us.
Yeah.
But now we are close to the 27th
Yes.
of this
Close
month.
to the date.
Yeah, the starting date of the school of 2025.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nakabi kami na mos tu Maria Tinay Tukay.
Yeah.
Joki rey kamulan daw bula binaka may
Iya.
iyo, may bunuatan ni.
Doon ba nak?
Iyo.
Nangona usah kita kasama tangan libuli demes, demes ya.
Gori.
Nangona ni materi wasos libuli ko kapitan ni mata sangki lagi buli.
Bataw tu.
Baka sabi kami din bitaroy.
This is the time, mommy at home,
Yeah.
she don't want to ask for absenteeism.
Iya.
So if anything,
Boy, nangona ilu ya.
Iya.
if you absenteeism,
Iya.
she will ask you,
Iya.
what's the purpose of your staying home?
Right.
Why you absent today?
Iya.
If you say sick,
Iya.
she will check you.
Right.
If you say headache,
Iya.
She will become
touch your
the
forehead.
nurse. Yeah, she will become the nurse.
Yeah.
Yes.
She will touch your forehead.
Boy.
No sign of headache.
Iya.
No sign of headache.
Go to school.
From there, open your bag. Check your homework.
Boy, yawa.
If you not complete the homework,
Yeah.
that's the time you'll see the discipline.
Mothers is
Yeah.
always
They will
smarter than you,
discipline
eh?
you.
Sa tombo sa ranka.
Opo.
Yeah.
So no. The question I'm asking you
Iyo.
during the back to school time in your days, sa do take mo the first time,
Right.
kapitan ni mata o ikong lagi buli.
I, myself and my mama like that, on time.
First day of
But
school
sometime,
nga.
the only time I miss school is the time when I'm sickness of the bullet zone.
And the bullet is always with you, eh?
Tapos ko rin na
Always carry the bullet.
Nera kidney senta semon yang banu be neta ni boraki mule bena kamay na wabule boy suba.
Yeah.
Thomas ikaw tiya.
Yeah.
New South Wales Columnly.
Yeah.
Bayang natal nga berto na nambasin ni disease.
Iyo.
Benga revolti ka na mataba na ni ko na kenan raiba o katsi. Orto na kena pasin dia. Orto ngaliti ko United Apparel. O Bani, o Moabe. Do yan binaka.
Yeah.
Orto siya mabolti ko na mataba na ni ko, eh?
Okay.
You know what?
Iyo.
Mosinde ini.
Ano na katurang na ito, wala usara ito ka na matay ko Patrick Serru. Na depoy na marango, sa kaya pa na Chingo Choweli, Mateo Mesaki, Anwar, kirto na staff, di Water Waste, Elambasa, dosa Russia. Patrick, ano na katurang?
Benecare.
There are different lessons, eh?
Sulutabundi, yeah.
During the day.
School.
In school, eh? Okay. Na lesson ito, ko doon rin na makabaliw.
The only lesson.
Eu ba na tumbo na koro?
Right.
So na kabayo doon rin bak. Sa doon na lesson ni maths. Sa na English maya. Nasa tuloy daw mo sa mga pangalan.
Isa, I want to say good morning to Mrs. Kumbuna Mera.
Yeah.
Mrs. Kumunamela was my English teacher.
Yeah.
So this one secondary school. And also to Master Waisea Ambikala.
Yeah.
Master Waisea Ambikala, during the time we was allowed to have the hosepipe.
Yeah.
So we name his hosepipe the Black and Beauty. Gurman the Black and Beauty. That's you see the fun.
That's code you use, eh? Okay.
Bula girl boss the money.
Yeah.
So he was there. He was always discipline us, eh?
Yeah.
So Mrs. Kumunamela, when I was in Form 6 in Ratuluke,
Yeah.
so Mrs. Kumunamela come discipline us. Like she don't want you to late, she don't want you to lazy, she don't want you to talkative.
Yeah.
In school, you come to school, you school.
You school.
School. Sa
Nothing
may bully,
else.
mo may bully.
Yeah.
Don't play.
Think of your parents,
Yes.
think of your guardian, think of the walking from your village
Yeah.
to school.
Yeah.
When you come here to school,
Yeah. You
come
school.
in school.
Right.
You school here.
Yeah.
So
Time to write, you write.
you write.
Yeah.
If they say write 300 words of expository essay,
Yeah.
You write
you
3,000.
Huh?
Write 3,000 words.
3,000 may wala dari makamaka.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
She will discipline you.
Yeah.
If you fail your English,
Yeah.
she will come. She'll teach you how to write essay,
Yeah.
how to learn English,
Yeah.
how to put in proper way.
Yeah.
There is a time for me.
Yeah.
I always fail my English.
Yeah.
Then during the FSLC and the FSFE,
Yeah.
this teacher
Yeah.
helped me to pass my English in a good mark.
One
How to write in
So you are a good boy.
Yes.
I'm a good boy because of this teacher.
Yeah.
Always
But
discipline
you are a
me.
bad boy.
Not much. So, congratulations. Thank you very much to Mrs. Kumunamela. She's from Sawani.
Yeah. Di Nasar.
But
Sawani Naitasiri.
you still fail English now, eh?
No, this one is for memorable. So from that time we doing the English. She will help you.
Yeah.
If you baka mapawel malilay.
Yeah.
She will come to your door.
You wells.
Come, the Messi.
Yeah.
If you and she will ask you, give you a storybook.
Yeah.
If you myself, I hate storybook.
Why?
Because
Don't want to
I
read.
want a storybook full of diagram.
Oi.
Mento tu kina na yalalo. A storybook without diagram, mau do sese makasaranga. Kami ko meno ini. Then she allow us to read a book that you have the diagram in it.
Yeah.
If no, you read a New Testament. Onda Willy Bola Tambu.
But there's no diagram in the Bible.
But the information inside.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
if you hate this one,
Yeah.
that means you hate heaven.
Where's heaven?
Heaven up. Sige laki. Iyo. Nawang gato na isang daong bulan na lingan ni Mingarabi na tampan ni agriculture.
Yeah.
Doyan
Okay.
ra.
Di baru tengok sudah bulia nama tadi kuah. Apa buat ini? Don't. Okay. The two boys are in the village now.
In the village.
We say good morning to Abu and
Puna.
Hulk.
Iya.
Rosim sarcung may mbua. May namburi kan tambah nama tadi kuah. Are they willing to come or they hesitant to come?
One of them, I called them last night. They called me Dada ko namas. Kamurdin.
Papa?
Ada konten bibu na wewe? Ada kapur.
Lama nga.
What is it?
Yeah, they call Daddy.
Yeah.
I want to come home. I want to come home.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I told, okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
This week is your last week.
Yeah.
Just come this week.
Okay.
I want to see you too. I miss you, my
Yeah.
boys.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I went home, I miss them.
Yeah.
Lucky, my daughter there.
Yeah.
If no daughter, no son, they all went together. Oh,
Yeah.
I feel lonely.
Lonely sarang eh?
I feel, you know.
Why you lonely? Because the mother there.
Yeah.
The mama always, because the heart of our heart
Yeah.
is with the children. Our love is for the mama.
You are the lion.
You are the lion of my Judah. Abang, you are the lion of my Judah. Betul libitin daw mulre. Daw mula may quit.
Okay, just to end our program this morning.
Okay.
Demes is a good boy. While growing up in the Namburi kan he used to take part in the church
Service.
eh?
Yes.
Everything about the church in the morning. Komento ba bula.
Iya, may sulu ni save.
So he's a
Oh.
servant, right? And Lomani Balutu. And in his dream, he wanted to be what you call it?
A father.
A father.
Oi.
Kaya may sama kita bita loya sa may chinsar chuko yan nabuni ketika dipakai mata ko. Ya tawag mo tani tonangona.
One day.
Chuko one day he'll go back to the service.
Bakan
Oh.
church. And buku ni kono nasang taga chuko. May aday lo malangi. Datarin ko chama tani ko heaven. Heaven up. Kenango.
Iya.
All of us the mess will go to heaven.
Alright.
Heaven up.
Heaven up.
You will go to 7 up.
Heaven up para pintanis. Menurut manakato marambile. Lay.
Merto mo ta ka subo may naggeng mga ildew.
Kubo na mata ni kato me amo. Binabala mo punjas. Zero bites. Quality product sama punjas biscuit. Smethan, Tasmania. Dong bola menaka. Bola
You
menaka.
still fail your English.
Bisa makuno ya. Kaya makaya tukuni may kamer to sa lagi may matari kato mbau sana broken ya.
Megin tora kriteria tu ya, Kriteria tu ya. Memang tak tahu English gak dulu.
Maka kaya sa mangori utingan na songko ni Otsupala ingo na olta.
Berapa besar Anda benar ke unai sinang bose? Sermana, Anda benar ke Bani Toka, Esala Stella, Anda benar ke bola tangane. And sama bola tangan dan mata di kuat.
Right.
Once again we say good morning and thank you so much for tuning in this morning. John Kumar and all the family in Bararavelli at Singatoka.
Right.
We hope that you are fine and all well. John Rembo, my tau, dem salolom tiani wikim do kete, God bless. Bila senia 7-Eleven. Ta mai Jacob uluing kalau, tiani goi Smithen, Tasmania.
Arkalos kawake da kau ni tambua yang rere lola ma sartu mai kumbulau mai mbua.
Dombula.
Do yang rabinaka chona seleaka yang resia nok sebutia. Sama tigo mai Innisfail Cairns Australia.
Yanra.
Bilai senia Sermana Merlita.
Yes,
The mother was the one ru. Mos diani yang rabinaka.
tabal
Epa
karwa.
buki.
Yang
Rabinaka.
FSC raro imba anda benar kami kol ia nambaro nakaroti bahkan dia benar kan bulu beto kan FSC memba nama tadi ko beti uli beti anda benar kan bulare Papa Dems
Andre.
walu gono sebentar cuma Kuwait
Do yang rabinaka.
iyo leki matuni nambau diwa Saint Suli mata nemani anasa rokoliva bahkan dia benar kan bulu beto kan nama tadi ko
Ay CTK, may Scottlandi.
Iyo.
Siyempre Scottlandi na mataba na ni Kua. Marika, may naluay. Rondo pa tapos itong minggo, pati kay Samuela.
Iyo.
Nabali. Royan bitokan ni.
Daka, once again, binabole to you all. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Nanong siya masik mo naman tagalikuha.
Yeah.
Menda lang kayo sotal. We meet again tomorrow morning.
To bambula man tabi Arcales. Arcales sa bambula to man dombula melondoni.
Arkalos, ano ba keuni?
Andre miau.
Hey! Sista an namba tamba.
Do yanra.
Sa mga na matay tuboy tamero Amerika. Ano matagalikuha. To na kanta ko siya masik kumain. Vani toka, ano ba may na more road da Willie House.
Iyo.
Bulu ba yasa. To sa bulu ba may na more road.
Worry.
And da Willie House and matagalikuha.
Ito ko na ito minggo, Thomas, ikaw tiyo, demes yan no school.
Oy, kita gonda no school man. Mana kalasi ang bakindo kinambakiba.
Bis bure, dawar ba may na somwa.
Para manalawa, may
Bunda,
karabiti ko na LT1144. Yan rabinaka, siya mati ko may raki-raki, baru tungo na bibakalilidi.
Malo to bata. Malo.
Malo toka tiko mai Israel. Ra boleh besar bentar satan mataka ni mataka. Don't like, don't heart. Lebu no share.
Dana numira na wekanda mai LA, na masu na buni badadali buni kama.
Iya.
Tapi na numitu na masu na mataka pinangalikuha.
Dirasara.
Gonde Messi.
Elena Tomoni.
Terus sosok kono chiku ngai Jabria, mai Kuwait, Melly Brown, Tawkilai, Nikolo ngata, Desa Modemanda.
Like seta kanon talay na mataka ko nanu munde sa tamu sosiangon. Like seta kanon talay na mataka ko share. Bertanda apa?